Oh, yes. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, we are still in the lockdown, we're in the quarantine. Yeah, so I don't know how it is taking you there, guys, but still, I make sure that I keep on posting you about our tutorials of creating more new hairstyles. We're going to be looking at on how to plait the spring coils. Yeah, this is still new, but it is very simple to plait it. As you can see, the cornrows, they're always looking behind. Yeah, they're always looking behind, and you make sure that this is very important, because I told you, whenever you're doing a crochet, please try to make the cornrows which are how can I say, the cornrows which are the cornrows which can be which can suit, yes, the corners that can suit that crochet, because I can't say that we can do a small cornrows when we are going to do the big crochet. So this is somehow big, and that's why my cornrows were somehow spaced. So you should always note that, because it's very important. Yes, as you can see, when I'm doing the spring coils, it's the only way that it's just getting a small piece, and you just keep on rolling it. Let me show you here how you do it. You just crochet it that way, then after you get a small piece, yes, just like that, and you start rolling it. That is the simple creativity. Yeah, that's how you can do it. And please, if you have any question, just go in my comment section and you write something. I'll be there to answer you. Yeah, I will be there to answer all the questions that you'll be asking. And one shout out to all people in Oman, United Emirates. Guys are doing a great job. Those people in South Africa, thank you so much for watching us. And I can't forget all my friends in United States of America. Thank you so much for the support. And please, if you haven't subscribed, this is the high time, because I promised I'll be giving you all these things Wednesday, Friday, Saturday up to Sunday. Yeah, so that's how we do the spring coil. It's very nice. You can wash it, you can style it, it can be casual, it can be office. So it is so lovely, because it is soft, trust me. Wow. So you can see how it is lovely. And now let's try to remove something little bit, just something very small. Just trim the endings. You don't trim to remove those curls down, but you just remove those the small hair that can make it to tangle, yet it's not supposed to tangle. So after, let me try to do a simple style so that you see how you can also try it yourself and see how simple it is when you're doing this. And I want to shout out all our people in Kenya, Uganda, the power of Africa. You guys, you're also doing a great job. Thank you so much for watching us. And those ones in Tanzania, they're doing a great work. So I'm going to try to style it myself. I think she's trying to see how she's asking if it can untwist itself, but it cannot at all, since it has got that crazy ending, so it can't untangle itself. So I'm going to be styling it, and guys, trust me, you're going to love it. The only thing you can do, please subscribe. Don't already subscribe, whenever you're watching all these videos, and by the names of Maurice, the crochet master. And please, you can see this, we're trying to improve it on from the other previous video that I posted concerning about the spring calls. So spring calls is very nice, trust me, you will also love it. You can leave a comment and you can share videos. So for me right now, I sign out. Let's look at it, how it ends.
You wanna look fussy, flashy, everything classy. Come to the hair zipper and get flashy. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Na na na, yeah. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Yeah, come to the hair zipper. Hair zipper, na na na, yeah. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Yeah, come to the hair zipper, 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 hair zipper, na na na, yeah. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Yeah, come to the hair zipper, 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 zipper. Musaruni. Vamos a You wanna look fussy, flashy, everything classy. Come to the hair zipper and get flashy. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Hair zipper, hair zipper. Na na na, yeah.